Hey everybody, I wanted to help you guys out. Like when you are looking at a model like this, highlight it, and when you're trying to decide what size is this? Is this 3 inches high or is this 8 inches high? Well, highlight it and then go up here and click this. See, it says scale. Click it. Now, if you look right here, it says size. X, Y, and Z. So as you can tell, the red X, green. So this is the X, this is the Y, and the Z, of course, is up and down. Well, right now, this is 60 millimeters wide both ways. You know, of course, because it's round, but, you know, it's got these lips here, so. But it's almost 60 millimeters tall. That's not real big, but that would be perfect for like putting pencils and pens and scissors and whatever else you could think in there. And you can grab a corner like this, and now we've got 40 millimeters wide by 4 millimeters wide. Sorry. And then 38, 40, almost 39 millimeters tall. But maybe you want a planter, a pot. Now we're up to 143 millimeters by 143 millimeters by almost 130 millimeters high. So that's how you tell if you know what size it is. And there's some instances where you can uncheck this uniform. I won't go into those, where you can just leave the Z alone sometimes. That's only on certain models. But I just wanted to show you all how to know what size print you have. This will work with any print that you have. This is how you can tell how big it is before you ever print it. So I'll put this on YouTube, and I'm going to go put this link in this planner's listing on MakerWorld. I just wanted to try to help you guys out. So you guys have a great evening. I thank you for watching.